Okay, I'm in the hospital in Guangdong and we're here to check the blood of 4 positive blood samples for the coronavirus and 1 non-positive and do a comparison between the two. Okay, we're unpacking the tests and doing the samples on 5 different kinds. 4 with coronavirus infected and 1 without. We waited 10 minutes and we'll put the samples into the machine and get the test results. First sample going in now. Okay, we've got the test results and it's clear that these 4 are positive and this one is negative. This is only 0.02. The cutoff is 0.05. This one is clearly 1.02. And this is the IgM and IgG blood test reports. We've done 5 tests using the machine, 4 of which were positive, 1 which is negative. Now we're going to do the self-test, 2 which are positive and 1 which is negative. So let's see what's going on. You can clearly see positive and negative. This is a test easily done by using a spot of your own blood and a bit of dilute, and within 3 minutes you can see clearly if you have the coronavirus or not. So we've done all the tests in the lab and we're going to get these kits out to you as soon as possible.